For FC Barcelona fans, the big question on everyone's mind is, when will the team finally step back onto their legendary home turf, the Camp Nou? Since late 2022, this iconic stadium has been going through a huge makeover, but as you can imagine, it hasn't been smooth sailing. The renovations have hit some unexpected bumps, and the wait has gotten longer than anyone hoped. But there is good news ahead. The Camp Nou isn't just any stadium. It's one of football's most famous arenas, a place where history has been made time and again. Since the renovation began, fans have been eager to see their team return home, but the process has taken longer than planned. The Turkish company Limak is leading the work, and they've faced several challenges that caused delays nobody wanted, especially the supporters. So, where does the project stand now? When? Can we expect Barca to play at Camp Nou again? Let's break it all down. First off, it's pretty clear that Barcelona won't be playing at Camp Nou during the 2024-25 season. This became official when the club announced it will continue to use the Olympic Stadium for home games until May 20th, right after their last home match against Villarreal. So, the 2024-25 season will be another one spent away from their legendary ground. But don't lose hope. The club is aiming to make the big return in the 2025-26 season. If everything goes as planned, around 60,000 fans will be able to fill the stands again in 2025-26. That means the roar of the crowd, the excitement, and the magic of Camp Nou will be back. However, this all depends on the club getting the necessary permits and approvals in time. It's a complicated process, but Barca is confident they can meet the deadlines. There is one important date everyone should keep in mind. The club is targeting the start of the UEFA Champions League for their return. The Champions League kicks off in mid-September, with the first matches beginning on September 16th. Barca wants to have Camp Nou ready to welcome fans by then. Imagine the energy when the team plays Champions League games back at their home stadium again. To make this possible, construction crews have stepped up their work. They are now operating around the clock during the week and even working on Saturdays to speed up progress. The summer months will be crucial for the project. This is when Barca hopes to finalize all the approvals and finish preparing the stadium for reopening. Here's an interesting twist that might surprise some fans. The installation of the brand new roof, which was originally supposed to be completed before adding the new seats, has been postponed. Instead, the roof will now be put in place after the 2025-26 season, around May 2026. This delay is a way to ensure that the stadium can open on time without any major setbacks. Don't worry about the seats, though. The club has planned everything carefully. They will use a special support system to protect the new seats during the roof installation next year. This means that the seats won't get damaged, and the work can continue smoothly once the season ends. So, will Barca make it back to Camp Nou in time for the Champions League? Will we soon hear 60,000 fans cheering loudly again, filling the stands with passion? The club is working hard to make this happen, but there's still a bit of uncertainty as the project continues. To keep track of every update on this story, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We will bring you all the latest news and milestones on the return of the new Camp Nou. The Camp Nou renovation is a huge project that has faced unexpected delays, but the end is finally in sight. Barcelona fans can look forward to returning to their iconic stadium during the 2025-26 season, just in time for the Champions League. The excitement of seeing the team play on home ground again with thousands of fans cheering is closer than ever. This renovation isn't just about fixing a stadium, it's about preserving the spirit and history of one of football's most legendary places. Every challenge faced along the way only adds to the story. When the team finally steps back on that pitch, it will mark a new chapter for FC Barcelona and their fans. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you're passionate about football stadiums and want to follow the latest updates on Camp Nou, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Join our community of stadium lovers and be part of the story as Barca prepares to return home. See you in the next video.
Welcome to Giga Structures, where architecture transforms into art and mega projects reshape our world. Discover billion-dollar stadiums, next-gen arenas, and the genius behind record-breaking structures every single week. Your subscription isn't just a click. It fuels the journey, supports the research, and keeps this content alive. Subscribe now and become a part of the Giga Structures community, where fans of mega engineering stay inspired.